right hand side, maybe 10 yards from the corner flag.
I think the stream went down for a second, people were saying, is it? I think it's back on.
Right, so
let's know if it's back.
yeah, make sure the stream is back, guys. Somebody just let us know there. It's cool, buddy, don't worry about it. I want to see the match. Not going to two guys on a sofa. Well, you are, you fucking retard. That's the problem. You are looking at two guys on a sofa. If you want to buy the match, then put your hand in your fucking back pocket, you miserable cunt, and buy a subscription like the rest of us. And fuck off our channel annoying us, you stupid prick. Anyway, back to the game. That's a troll dealt with. I feel a little bit happier now, Connor. That's one out of the way.
SpongeBob kanciastoporty żyją w ananasie.
SpongeBob SquarePants lives in a pineapple.